guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something really fun with you guys. I'm going to show you how I make one of my white pumpkin buffalo check wreaths. If you guys are new to my channel, I have an Etsy shop and I make farmhouse signs as well as all seasonal decor and wreaths. Wreaths are probably my favorite thing to do because I can really get some of my creative juices flowing and I can just put my own touch in it, and I absolutely love them. And I have been itching to make one this season, so I'm gonna make one now. If you guys are also new, I wanna let you know that I will be putting things like this more and more on my channel. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know this is a mommyhood lifestyle channel with weekly cleaning motivation and all that stuff, but I'm also a mom that loves crafts. So I'm gonna be incorporating that more and more, most likely every single week. So you'll get your cleaning motivation, you'll get your DIY and crafts. You're gonna get best of both worlds, as well as meal planning and all that stuff. So let's get started on making this wreath. Okay, so to start this project, you're going to need a grapevine wreath. I got this from Michael's. I believe it was $4.99 and I had a coupon, 50% off. You're also gonna need whatever stems that you want. Michael's had really good stems. Everything was 50% off. Hobby Lobby always does great with their stems. So I always buy more than I need, just in case. So I got these here. This is gonna be a very neutral, I got two of those. This is gonna be a very neutral type of wreath. I know that's all the rage, the neutral pumpkins and decor. I got these, I loved this right here. I thought they were so pretty. Let me get a better picture of it. I thought these were so pretty. I got two stems of those. I've got this, I don't even know what it's called, but I just loved the color, the celery green, and then I got some eucalyptus. Now this is gonna be for something really fun. Okay, you're also gonna need wire cutters, good ones. The ones at the dollar store do not do as well. Spend your money and get good ones. Last but not least, this wire ribbon. This was purchased from Hobby Lobby. The first thing I'm gonna do, take this off. I'm gonna set my wreath right here. And when you think of making a wreath, you want to do layers, layers upon layers, okay? So you're gonna take all of your flat type of leaves, take those out first. Take the tag off, of course. Sometimes these need to be trimmed up. This needs to be trimmed. If you see one of these in the store and you don't really love the way it looks, remember that you can always trim these little pieces off. Not a big deal. Okay, so I'm gonna take it. You can also press them a little bit. They are messy. Right there. And I'm gonna take my flat first. And remember, you're doing layers, and I am just going to take each one of these off. I like to leave a little bit of the stem so I can stick it in here, okay? Now I like for my wreaths, I like them to be heavier on one side or the other. So I've done them where it's all the way around, but this one I'm gonna do it heavier on one side. And I think this year, I'm gonna go and see, I'm gonna take it and you're just gonna kind of bend it. Just bend it a little bit, you're just playing with it. Everything is just, nothing's being glued down right now, you're just playing with it, look. See, you're just playing with it. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. So you wanna think of it like a C, okay? Like a C, and this is how you're gonna start filling it in. You wanna leave some space here because I'm gonna have the bow here. So you can think of that when you're adding these back in, so you can add this like this. So far, this is what it looks like. Now you remember, we're gonna keep this open. And then I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna add these in here. You see how we're making it fuller and fuller? See how beautiful that is? Now I don't need this stem that long, so I'm just gonna cut it right here. And I'm gonna stick that right in here. I love these, you guys. They are so pretty. Do the same thing. I'm gonna kind of work it, and I'm kind of just working it in a C like that. And I'm gonna, just so it has a nice curvature to it. I love working with grapevine wreaths for this reason, because I can just stick everything in there. When I make my wreaths, I will always buy more expensive florals, because when it comes to florals, you get what you pay for. And if you purchase your florals from the dollar store, which there's nothing wrong with it, they will not last. They will not. I treat all of mine with a UV protector. Even if I recently purchased the one from Home Goods for my front door. And as soon as that thing came home, I purchased a I sprayed it with a UV protector. I think it's about $8. Buy it. Use it for your fabric, use it for your signs, outdoor signs, use it for your wreaths. Put this one right in here. Okay, now, I bought this, but now that I'm looking at it, this is what it, let me just show you what it would look like. Let me pull you in a little bit. And it's really pretty. I have not added any pumpkins, I haven't secured it, and I haven't added the buffalo check, but so far it's really pretty. So the bow is the same. It's same front and back, and this is wired. This is 2.5 inches thick. And I just continue to do it. I just continue to make loops. That's how I do my bows. It's nothing fancy. Because I'm gonna work them once it's on there. I'm gonna be working them anyway. So I just have loop after loop after loop, and then I'm also gonna have it. I'm gonna take my scissors, and I'm not worried about the way this looks on the end, because I'm gonna fix that. And then I'm gonna take a pipe cleaner. I've got it squeezed back here, and I just kind of work it. I also have that little thing that you can buy at Walmart and Michael's. It's called the Bodebra, or whatever it is. Bodebra, I don't know how you say it. I squeeze this really tight, really, really, really tight. And then I turn this sucker like this. That's just gonna keep it, and then I will squeeze it again. That helps me out a lot. I did not feel like bringing that out right now. Ta-da, it's nothing fancy. Super easy to do. And then I always do this. You take these, not worried about that edge, and I fold it, and then I cut like that. You're gonna go from the out in, so from the outer down. And you got your little tail. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little lamb's ear that I found. I think it has to have the lamb's. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. I did not film myself gluing it all together because I didn't think that was really necessary. But I added the lamb's ear, I added some beautiful white pumpkins. Those are the same pumpkins I got from Hobby Lobby. Isn't it beautiful? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it gave you some good inspiration on how to make your own beautiful farmhouse style neutral fall wreath. You can also do pops of orange and yellows, maybe some acorns. You can do whatever you want. Don't let these colors just make you feel stuck. This is a good base to add so many pretty things with. And if you want to take the pumpkins out and add some cotton stems and later on add some things for Christmas, this is super, super versatile. This buffalo check is beautiful for Christmas too. So it's a good way to kind of have a wreath that goes through the seasons. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I will see you guys in the next one.